As an IT manager, IT director, or CIO in Canada, you're no stranger to the challenges that come with managing an IT department. Inefficient ticket management, lack of visibility into IT assets, outdated asset management, and the pressure to meet SLAs are just a few of the obstacles you face daily. You're tired of dealing with delays, unhappy end users, and time-consuming manual processes. You know your team could be doing so much more if only they had the right tools. Introducing ManageEngine ServiceDesk Plus, the game-changing IT service management solution designed to streamline your IT operations, enhance visibility, and deliver exceptional customer service. With 3 flexible plans tailored to your unique needs, ServiceDesk Plus empowers your IT team to focus on what truly matters, driving your organization's success. ManageEngine ServiceDesk Plus tackles your IT challenges head-on with features like streamlined ticket management for faster issue resolution, centralized control for optimal visibility and asset management, comprehensive IT asset discovery, inventory, and management, SLA management to ensure consistent high-quality service, time-saving automation, and a self-service portal. ServiceDesk Plus is perfect for Canadian IT managers, IT directors, and chief information officers in industries with significant IT infrastructure, such as finance, healthcare, education, government, technology, and retail. With ServiceDesk Plus, a healthcare organization can improve response times to critical IT incidents, resulting in better patient care. An educational institution can optimize asset management, reducing costs and ensuring software compliance. A financial services company can meet stringent SLAs and build trust with stakeholders using ServiceDesk Plus's SLA management features. It's time to turn your IT department from daily firefighters into service champions. You've seen how ManageEngine ServiceDesk Plus can revolutionize your IT operations. Now let us introduce you to Optrics Engineering, your trusted ManageEngine partner since 2010. With a proven track record of success, Optrics has helped clients across Canada harness the power of ServiceDesk Plus by providing demos, quotes, and professional services. As a Canadian IT manager, IT director, or CIO, you understand the importance of partnering with an experienced and reliable provider. Optrics Engineering is dedicated to helping you every step of the way, from selecting the right ManageEngine solution to ensuring a smooth implementation. Optrics Engineering's team of experts goes above and beyond by offering comprehensive training and implementation services to ensure your team is ready to maximize the benefits of ServiceDesk Plus. Our commitment to your success is unwavering, making Optrics Engineering the partner you need to elevate your IT department to new heights. Don't wait any longer. Experience the Optrics Engineering difference and transform your IT operations today. Visit our website or contact our team to learn more. Download a 30-day trial, request a personalized demo or quote, or discuss your ManageEngine needs. With Optrics Engineering by your side, you can confidently take the first step towards IT service excellence.